Debasis Misra. Today we will discuss an important topic, that is diploma 5th semester, 3rd semester, 1st semester examination date and what will be the mode. So maximum my diploma students, they are asking me, sir, please tell us when will be our exam, that is your 1st semester, 3rd semester and 1st semester, and what will be the mode, is it online mode or it is in offline mode. So my dear students, you see my video from the first to the last. I am assuring you, you will like my video, and please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. I will give you such type of very useful videos which will definitely help you if you are feeling, that is, I am not able to know, I am in my home, I am always with you my dear students. I will give you the information. You may be in your college or you may be in your home. I will give the important information which will definitely help you. So please subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me to do different types of new videos which will help you in your future. So we will start. So I will say in detail, there is a notice yesterday, so I will show you first, then after we will discuss. You can see this notice, that is from State Council for Technical Education and Vocational Training Odisha. That is, the notice is that in consideration of request from several quarters, I am directed to say that the classes of 3rd and 5th semester shall continue up to 31/01/2022, that means 31st January, instead of closing 18/01/2022. Your class was closed on 18/01/2022, plus now your State Council of Technical Education, that is given the notice that your class will continue till 31 January. So that means after that your schedule will come. So you just think that your examination will be at February last week. You just think February last week, accordingly you prepare. And second thing is that what will be your mode. All my dear 3rd semester and 5th semester students, it is useful for them. So as pandemic situation is going on, all colleges are closed, so I think your mode will be in online mode. So you prepare for online mode. So any update will come, I will definitely provide you so that you will prepare accordingly. But you prepare now for the online mode and for February last week. So clear, all my dear 3rd semester and 5th semester diploma students, it is the information for you only. So next, and the 1st semester classes shall close on 14/2/2022, that is your February 14, instead of 31/01/2022. So my dear 1st semester students, your class will continue till 14th February and your examination will be in March last week. Okay, so your examination mode may be online or may be offline. The government will see the situation. If situation is good, then your examination will be in offline mode. If the situation will in like that condition, in pandemic situation, then maybe in online mode, but maximum chance I think your examination will be in offline mode. So prepare accordingly, and you just think your examination will be in March last week. So the tentative date of examination of this semester shall be notified later. The academic calendar of 2021 and 22 is modified accordingly. So any information will come regarding your examination or regarding your examination mode, I will inform you. Thank you students.